Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by locking the niche and 3-5 video ideas to avoid fuzzy direction. This saves time in filming. Once done, make a concise shot list with intro, main segments, and at least 3 B-rolls so you don't improvise on set. Make sure your minimal kit is ready: camera or phone, mic, tripod, spare battery. You should also confirm permissions for locations and people before you show up. This prevents last-minute stops and wasted travel. You now move into execution. Prioritize audio and stable framing because viewers forgive visuals more than bad sound. Once your levels and exposure are set, record a clean room tone and use a lavalier or shotgun mic to reduce noise. Make sure to capture at least 2 solid takes and 3 different angles for each key point so edits feel dynamic. Also gather intentional B-roll that illustrates the narration. This bridges cuts and covers mistakes without reshoots. You finish by ingesting files into a clear folder structure and renaming clips by date and scene so edits are painless. Once done, back up 2 copies, 1 local drive and 1 cloud, and mark selects for your rough cut. Make sure to design a compelling thumbnail and write a searchable title and description before scheduling publish and socials. If uploads fail or metadata is wrong, re-export a trimmed clip and reupload. Often file corruption or wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.